Changing language on WeChat is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can change language on WeChat. While the process is pretty simple, in order to do that you simply have to open up your settings app. Now in your settings app, what do you have to do is this is what you will see here. You have to scroll down and tap on this general tab. In the general you just have to scroll down again and tap on this language and region section. Now in the language and region section you will see all of these options here. As you can see, you can add a new language. Here you will easily be able to change your language, and by changing the language it will automatically change the language for the apps as well, and it will automatically change the language for WeChat as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.